Home Remedies presents Natural Remedy to keep your memory sharp at any age. Most people have occasional lapses in memory, such as forgetting a new acquaintance's name or misplacing the car keys. We all want to sharpen our focus, enhance our memory, and improve our concentration. With some basic kitchen ingredients, you will be able to achieve this. Let's see how. Ingredients: fennel seeds 25 grams, almonds 25 grams, rock sugar, mishri 25 grams. Are you liking the video? If yes, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to support it. Procedure: roast the fennel seeds slightly on a pan and grind. Likewise, grind almonds and mishri too. Mix all the three ingredients well and keep it in a jar. Now ingest 1 to 2 tablespoons of this powder daily with milk at night. This home remedy gives very good results and works like a natural memory booster. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.